Today, we are taking a simple, honest look at a property in Manchester, Kentucky. If you want land, space, privacy, and options, this one checks every box. Take a moment to notice the size of this property. It gives you 20 acres with a mix of flat pasture land and wooded hillsides. That alone makes it stand out in this area. The home has just under 2,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It is a classic farmhouse layout. Nothing fancy, nothing overdone, just a solid home with room to shape it into whatever fits your life. For some people, that means restoring the farmhouse. For others, it means using the home as a base while putting most of the effort into the land. Either way, the potential is here. Inside, the home follows a simple layout with the living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and full bath all on the main level. It has a fireplace, propane heat, vinyl siding, a metal roof, and a crawl space. Everything is straightforward and functional, and it leaves plenty of room for updates if you want to make changes over time. Now, shift your attention back to the land, because the land is the real value. 20 acres gives you options. Most properties in this price range cannot offer. The flat areas could be pasture, gardens, or a place for new buildings. The wooded hillsides add privacy and give you views of trees, fields, and distant mountains. If you want a quiet place to breathe, this is it. If you want usable acreage for animals or projects, you get that too. There is also a barn on the property, which opens the door to even more uses. You could keep animals, store equipment, or turn it into a workspace. The mix of open ground and woods lets you use the property in different ways without feeling limited. That kind of flexibility is rare, especially in this price range. The setting in Manchester, Kentucky is another advantage. You get the calm, rural feel people are looking for, but the home sits near Highway 421, so you can reach town without driving deep into back roads. For anyone who wants country living without being completely isolated, this checks the box. This kind of land opens the door to a lot of different plans. You could clear more pasture, restore the home, build something new, or simply enjoy the quiet setting the way it is. 20 acres gives you room to try ideas without feeling limited, and that flexibility is a big part of what makes this place appealing. Tell me in the comments what you would do with a property like this. I always enjoy seeing the different ideas people have for land and older homes, and your feedback helps shape what I cover next. If you enjoyed the walkthrough, give the video a like and subscribe if you want to see more rural listings from around the area. More properties are coming soon, each one with its own character and possibilities.